Dan the Elf here, back again for day number 4 of BD Diesel's 12 Days of Christmas. And today is about the two-low unlock for the Chevy and Dodge trucks. While operating your vehicle in four-wheel drive, maneuverability is reduced. When the two-low unlock is turned on, you disable the front drive wheel mechanism, allowing full torque to be available to the rear wheels only. This delivers normal two-wheel drive maneuverability while in low range. You can now perform sharp, all the way over turns without the front axle U-joint hopping or binding. This easy-to-install unit requires no cutting or splicing the wires and plugs directly into the factory connectors. Check it out on bddiesel.com and give yourself the ability to make full turns in low range.